have live interpretation today in 10 different languages. And so what a great opportunity to continue to expand Daisy globally around the world. And we just want to welcome everybody that's here today. So congratulations. We are
recording in progress.
Right now. Actually, live, we just left a day 2 planning, event planning committee meeting with about 15 of the top leaders in Daisy, top unilevel producers. Some of these leaders have produced between 40 to 80 million in USDT contributions, and many of them over 10 million in unilevel contributions in their organizations or more. So it's been an incredible 2 days of just masterminding, planning the future of Daisy, where we're going, and most importantly, really making sure that this event in February is everything that we know it can be. We really believe that this is the momentum launch of Daisy, if you will. Right now, we've overcome so many incredible challenges. We're in such an amazing position right now in the marketplace, and Daisy has been tried, has been tested, and has now been proven to be a project that is here long term and just continues to grow and go to the next level. So some exciting announcements to give you here today. You definitely want to be with us in February with Dubai. I'm joined by co-founders Edward Kemchin. Edward, what's up? Ilya Manin also here in Dubai with us, and Dr. Anna Becker is here with us today as well. So, hey, what's up, everybody? Edward, Ilya, what an amazing 2 days we just had.
Oh yes, we had amazing leaders here with us. We're so thankful for those guys to be here, and they came from around the world, just like you said. 2 full days ready for event in February. That's why we're here.
Yeah, and I think it's very good. Not only we build foundation in terms of our business, like on the technical side or marketing side, but also in terms of creating culture of Daisy, right, which is very important. So during this couple days we spoke with top guys, and we all agree that Daisy culture is very important for the next years to come, right? So this is extremely important. It's a brilliant idea to put all people, top guys together like this and prepare for the next year event.
Yeah, I'm just gonna add something. Those guys are there's 3 ladies, 3 yes. Top, like, I don't know how do you call them, boss ladies. They're amazing leaders. A couple of them from Japan and one from Spain, which is German. You guys don't know them,
right?
Yeah, it's incredible, the commitment and just the passion that we felt in the room for to help people grow. I mean, that's really what came out of these 2 days. Was Daisy, we want to be more than just a great opportunity, more than just a powerful community with equity crowdfunding opportunities, but really a community that grows together. We grow as people, we grow as humans, we grow in our finances, we grow in our mindsets, achieving and accomplishing things together, building friendships together that last a lifetime. And we're really seeing that happen right now in Daisy. And this event in February is going to certainly cultivate that energy as well. But I'm just telling you, we knew 2 years ago, in January, when we launched Daisy, we knew that we were bringing something disruptive to the market. We knew that we had something that had never been done before and has never been done again since, that we have really created a platform that is different than any other platform that is out there. 100% transparent, 100% real, 100% charged by this vision of empowering amazing projects and empowering people at the same time to benefit financially. And so we just are so excited about the momentum. We're going to be sharing some numbers at the event in February that I think are going to blow people's minds. When people realize how much has been made within the Daisy community, it's actually pretty mind-blowing. And when you look at the success and the momentum that we're having right now, and let's just dive into that, I can tell you guys, there's not another project in the world that is in position like Daisy's in position. And you're going to hear us talk a lot about the vision for 2023, the goal for 2023. And it's very clear. It's that we want to reach 1 million active members contributors in the Daisy community, and we want to reach 1 billion in contributions. And that means that we're going to grow by about 4 times where we are today, 4 to 5 times where we are today in 2023. And right now, Daisy is hitting a stride of record momentum. There's a wave happening right now, and that wave, we are in position to ride that wave that's taking place. And so after 2 years of working together, building deep roots in this project, overcoming challenges together, we've come to the moment now where we're really seeing some exciting momentum. And we understand that one of the biggest breakthroughs that's happening and going to happen in the next few months in the Daisy community is that those members who participated in the initial contribution phases in that first year, first few months, who may have experienced some losses in the crypto AI performance. And remember, Daisy's not a trading platform. We're a crowdfunding platform, right? It's not about profits and losses. It's that we're developing a technology with Endotech that has never been developed. And sometimes that technology is going to perform well, and sometimes it's going to lose in the process of development in order to get to where we're going. And we experienced that. And so there were some losses in the crypto side of things. And we made an incredible decision. Forex AI. The Forex performance is absolutely incredible. We're going to talk about that here today. But our number one goal in Daisy is very simple. We believe that this is a project where every single person wins with profits, equity, and income. That means no casualties. That means everybody wins. This was in our very first presentation. You've heard me say anytime I presented this opportunity that I believe the number one disruptive element of the Daisy model is that everybody wins. And we are on an incredible track to see that become a 100% reality. You can see here some of the leaders that were with us here in Dubai that are here right now. We just had 2 days of incredible mastermind meetings from the top leaders around the world to prepare for the February Told You So event. Here's another picture of everybody at the end of the event. We were there with the production team as well. And guys, I'm just telling you, this event in Dubai is going to be absolutely incredible. We do have some very important announcements, exciting announcements as well today about the Dubai event. So make sure that you really pay attention to that, because it is some important changes and updates that we're going to be announcing here today. Now, some quick AI updates. Right now, as of today, the Forex AI is at 347%, just finishing the first 8 months of performance. Now, guys, this is just absolutely incredible. There's nothing out there in the industry. This is just the best of the best results that you could dream of or ask for. And we're seeing that right now with the Forex momentum. The crypto AI balance, as I mentioned earlier, for tiers 1 and 2, 100% of those funds have been moved. And for tiers 3 through 10, 70% of those funds have been moved to Forex, and reports can be seen in your back office. So you can actually log in right now to your Daisy back office, click on the fund link, go to Forex to your personal account. And if you are a crypto AI contributor, you will see the transferred balance as well as the profits that have already been generated from the AI performance. You can see that in your back office. And so make sure everyone on your team knows, hey, you're making money right now. Right now, the Forex is performing. And even if you joined in the crypto AI phase, contribution phase, a large portion of those remaining funds are now producing profits in the Forex. You can see it in the Forex reporting. Make sure everyone who has joined Daisy through your organization, everyone in your team, make sure they log into their Daisy back office and they see what's happening right now, because it's absolutely incredible. Now, what's really exciting is we transfer the funds in October. Crypto AI is having some of the most exciting breakthroughs that we have actually ever seen from the middle of October until now. And Dr. Anna Becker is going to share more about that. And guys, you just absolutely want to make a full commitment to be at the Dubai event. We're going to give you some exciting announcements here after Dr. Anna shares with us today. We have some of the biggest announcements that we've ever made happening at the Dubai event in February. You don't want to miss that. It's going to be absolutely incredible. But what we're going to do right now, guys, is turn the call over to Dr. Anna so that she can give us some exciting updates. And then we're going to come back in and share some good news for everyone for the month of December and how it's going to impact your Daisy business and your Daisy contribution. So Dr. Anna, we'll throw it over to you.
Thank you, Jeremy. I have to apologize. I have a little bit voice problems, so I will be squeaky a little bit. So first of all, I would like to I always thank the community for supporting us, but I would like this time the opportunity to thank Edward, Ilya, and Jeremy for supporting us, because we are, as a software company, lots of times have, difficulties and different time periods and, different situations. And Edward and Ilya and Jeremy are always there to support us and to be, the part that really gets the information to you guys or supports us in many other ways. So again, thank you guys for being with us. And today, I want to share with you actually what happened from October 15th. As you know, we launched in mid-summer the new framework. And then by October, we created the version 20 that was using this framework already in crypto world. It was a big story, but we decided together that since it's not a tested story, we will start moving funds to Forex and then run crypto at the same time. So I would like to share you just the way the results look. Here it is. I will share it to you three things. This is the real-time result that we have as of today. Starting 15th of October, we now reached 52% in funds for the crypto. You don't see it yet on the screen in back office, and the reason is that the physically funds were moved a little bit later, so that we started to trade with current capital back in October, but again, you see only 20% or a little bit more recovered and not full 50% because the percentage itself started much earlier. What I would like to share with you is the current statistics about the improved version, which is just over here. When we're talking about the new version, as I was explaining many times, it includes the new element, the new wrapper. We call it asset recognition, that helps us to see where we are in market and how we should navigate through the market during the specific state. And what we see in comparison to the previous approach without this layer is that while the numbers are growing in profit-wise, the main story lies in win-loss rates, where instead of each 4 trades out of 10, we're getting each 6.5 trades out of 10 successful, where our worst loss, worst drawdown goes from 20% to 7%, and where our accuracy, how much we get from the market, goes from 34%, like third of the potential, we're now getting to the half of the potential of the market. Again, we still have a road to go, but right now we're in the place where we are much more comfortable with every strategy decision. We have lots of things already in the framework, and we feel, again, much more comfortable with the performance. The Certina ratio is my favorite indicator, favorite metric, basically says how close we are to be in stable performance. So the stability grew 3 times over the previous performance. And this is what basically the big story for us, that we reached the Certina ratio, which is much, much higher than we had before. So I will give the full story. It's very, like for us, it's amazing story about creating the real AI for financial world, real AI for trading that has many elements that bring simplicity and complexity together, and how we went through numerous challenges to make it happen. So in Dubai event, what we would like to present is again the birth of real AI, and also we would like to introduce you to our teams that working not only in crypto but working in Forex. And we know that you have many questions about Forex, so don't miss the Dubai event. We will answer all the questions, and you will see this amazing again team and the technology that were brought together. Also, I would like to touch upon some interesting, the ones out of you that are more involved with details of the trading. I would like to show you the recent performance of our favorite strategies on Ethereum and the main changes that happened to it, that you can see here from October 15th. We were running, in addition to our regular strategies, we were running the market states overlay that were showing us where we are in the market. So as you can see here, we were in sideways market. We were doing some short swings. Once we noticed that we are in upside market, we exited towards trend. We entered into the buy side, the trend. And then once we saw the completion of the trend, we went down with the shorting of the market, and it's happened again twice, and now we are out of the market again after the nice win. So this is again the big story of being able to not work only on the local elements of the chart, local elements of the situation, but also to bring into account the long term and the short term, and work on all the complexity elements of the story. I will just show you the resistance and support lines that we were relying on towards all these decisions. And again, I touched upon this before, and I'm giving this lecture right now regularly about the birth of AI for algorithmic trading. And again, don't miss it in February, because we are preparing very impressive, even visuals to explain to you and to show to you what it means to create AI for auto trading. Now, I wanted to touch upon also the FTX story and every story around crypto. We all know that it shook the market. It shook us as well. It's very upsetting to see when company that you trust and company that you rely on is going under, and you uncover some upsetting truths about the lack of transparency that you experience and the abuse of the trust. So luckily for us, we as Daisy were not involved in FTX, even that upfront we had no idea that it might happen, but we were lucky not to have any funds with them. And but it also made us think that it's very important for us to create stability for the clients, and not only on the side of the algos, but be very careful about what markets we show, what exchanges we work with, and every element around it. And our main decision was that we have to diversify even further. So in addition to our first ones that were Forex and crypto and Forex, we are now right now adding team members, adding partners that help us work in additional markets, which are bonds and metals and commodities and all the usual suspects. We're moving to ETFs as well. This is more the long term, but I think it's very important for all of us to have this diversification and to be protected from the market angles. And again, we still believe in emerging market that we're working in. We still believe in crypto. We know that there are lots of activities of the current crypto members that proven their validity and proven their integrity. that are staying and trying to bring back the energy to the market and bringing the trust to the market. So we are one of the participants. We do believe in the market, but again, it's that just the question of time of how soon it will succeed, whether it will succeed, and how it will succeed. So again, we are pretty fine with the volatility of the market. We're not expecting any major changes. We are working through the market. And again, as you saw, 50% since October, it's quite a nice number. And we do expect to show our results as were expected before. So thank you so much for listening to me for this update. And Jeremy, back to you.
Awesome. Thank you, Dr. Anna. And guys, it's just so incredible. And again, a constant reminder, the biggest, most exciting news that we can ever hear in Daisy that can get us more excited. It's not performance, not this, it's the progressive development and breakthroughs of the AI. This is ultimately the biggest story that is being created in Daisy. Sure, the performance is exciting, the rewards are exciting, all of this is exciting, but the real excitement is that every one of us have equity in Endotech. And this is a company, and Dr. Anna shared some of the breakthroughs they've had just this week, breakthroughs that have never been done anywhere in the AI trading space. And please understand that 99% of companies that say they're developing or using AI are in fact not developing, and in fact are not using AI. They're simply using trading bots that are simply reflecting human trading. And of course, there's some great human traders out there, but the vision of Endotech and what's being developed with Daisy in this crowdfunding project is that we're creating breakthrough technologies in the AI trading world, making it available to the world as we continue to expand and grow into different markets over the years to come. And you have equity in this project. And so from my perspective, Dr. Anna, there's nothing more exciting than knowing, hey, we've been through the ups, we've been through the downs, continuing to move forward. And now over the last 45 days, we've seen what the Forex is doing. Now, over the last 45 days, the crypto AI has had a 50+% result. And ladies and gentlemen, we're just telling you that the end result of this development is going to be something so special and so powerful. In the months ahead, every single contributor into the Daisy project is going to be in profits. This is absolutely incredible. A project where everybody truly wins. So Dr. Anna, we love you. We thank you. We believe in you for the work that you're doing, for your belief in the people and the community. Thank you so much for being here with us today. Edward, Ilya, I'll throw it over to you guys as well.
Sure. Dr. Anna, can you actually share, going back, what happened? What did Algo do like couple days or day before we heard the news, breaking news about FTX? Because we, surprisingly, Algo made a big play in it, and in order to make this 50% profit, right?
Yes, again, we became very sensitive to the market, and we are now relying on the elements that they truly, seeing the micro and macro structures of what's going on in the market. And we noticed that the market was slowing down, and then it broke through to the downside. And then that was the signal for us to go, to short the market and to go down with the market. So if before we were much slower to see the market movements, we were relying more on the technical analysis. Right now, we're relying on the market states, we're relying on microstructures, we're relying on all these different elements, including news, including fundamental side of the news. So all of it came into the story. It came into the decision of the system, what to do, and we actually reversed the position to the short side. While it was in the long side, we reversed it to the short side. So that was the big story for us. Again, we're very excited that we came to this level of accuracy. We still have a way to go. It's like the development is not done completely. Like we have plans, and our plan is actually going up to Dubai event. We hope that by 15th of February, my thing will be done, like my baby will be working, and like our baby, like our huge team baby will be working, and it will be only, the will be our help to him to be more and more profitable. But again, no guarantees, but still, we are very, very much believe in the results, into the improvement that we made. An exciting part, it's the one that knows how to work in any market, because it's not crypto, baby. It's not crypto AI. It's the technology that works in any high volatility market and knows how to minimize risk, knows how to extract the value, and to be very attentive and very sensitive to everything that goes on with the market story. So again, asset recognition is our new kind of tag word that we're using. That the new stories that we say is that we have the asset recognition, where we see what's happening to the asset. It's a specific time. We can recognize based on, again, microstructure, the patterns, the situation, the news of what is the current state of the market. So this is, again, the big story, and as you know, it took us a long time to get where we wanted to come. So it's not a simple 2-3 element story. It's literally over 150 elements that we had to bring in together in some smart way to make it work. So FTX is basically the proof. What happened at FTX, the proof that we were able to react and to do things properly.
And it's amazing, right, Edward? Because this was the first time that we've seen a significantly profitable move like this in a short
a short position. Exactly. That's why I want her to talk about a little bit, to explain what happened, how AI react in these markets, right? So that's amazing. Well, thank you again, Dr. Anna.
Thank you so much.
We love you, appreciate you. All team, there's a lot of it. I know we have a lot of exciting news right now, following to announce. But before we're gonna announce this news, I want to say something. And this is to my closest, all my friends. Like if I could recommend something right now to my friend, I would say right now you go and book Dubai ticket before it's still available, because what we're about to announce, you want to be at Dubai, because what we're gonna announce, if you're gonna be too late, there's might be not ticket for you, won't be sold out. Anyway, I'm back. Ilya, maybe you say something too.
No. I really, because we have limited time. I would rather, give it back to Jeremy
Let's
to go
into
all updates.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Anna, for joining.
Thank you, Dr. Anna. So again, make sure you log into your back office. If you were a part of the crypto contribution, a portion of your contribution is now in Forex, and you can see incredible results already in the last 3 or 4 weeks. And as Edward mentioned, you do not want to miss this Dubai event, because we have some incredible announcements. We are going to rock and shock the industry, and this event is going to be a life-changing event. And we have a big announcement, 2 big announcements about the event in Dubai in February. Very, very important. So please stay tuned. Number 1, the date of the event is changed back 1 day. So instead of the event being the 21st and 22nd, the event is going to be the 20th and the 21st. We really wanted to have the event at this venue. This is the #1 resort, #1 location venue in this area of Dubai, where you are on the water, where you can have fun, where you have 15 to 20 different restaurants on site. It's just an amazing resort. But the venue was not available for the 21st and the 22nd. The Madinat Arena is the venue. We initially planned on the Coca-Cola Arena, but we, for multiple reasons, made the decision that the Madinat Arena, and being at this resort together, everybody in the same area, being able to really create that experience in a arena that we fill to capacity, and just have an amazing event these 2 days. And so the event has changed to February 20th and the 21st. The event will actually start at 1 p.m. in the afternoon Dubai time on the 20th. And so you can talk to your leaders and different folks. You may need to, for those of you that have already booked airline tickets, you may need to move that ticket back a day. For those of you that have already booked hotels, if you're not able to get a refund on that hotel, this location is only about 15 minutes from downtown Dubai in the Palms Jumeirah. So it's very easy to transport back and forth from your hotel, but there are many, many hotels in this area. Of course, the host event at this resort, Jumeirah Al Qasr, and it's actually 3 hotels in one. Beautiful, beautiful resort. And if you can be here with us and stay at this resort, we certainly welcome, invite you, and hope you can. But there's also less expensive locations very, very close by as well. This is just going to be an amazing, amazing 2 days together that you don't want to miss. And the exciting announcement around the event, and I'll tell you, it's so powerful when leaders come together, when ideas start to flow, suggestions start to come out. Napoleon Hill calls it the power of the mastermind. And this is what we had the last 2 days for sure. And one of the things that came out of our time together is for every single person who attends Dubai, you register, you attend the Dubai event, we're going to take 100% of the ticket sales, 100% of all the ticket sales from day one, and it's going to go into a live Forex trading account. Now, you know the type of performance that we're seeing right now. It's absolutely incredible. And so 100% of the ticket sales will go into a live Forex trading account, and profits will be shared with each attendee before the next event. Now, think about the power of this. Not only are you going to be able to attend this event, the registration ticket, but over the next 6 months, imagine if we have 200%, 300% return on this. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an awesome opportunity. And what we're going to do is we're going to offer renewal moments in the future events, whereby committing to the next event, you continue to benefit long-term from this trading pool that we're setting up for the Dubai event. So guys, this has never been done in the history of the industry. This has never, ever been done. You literally are going to make money just by attending this event, and you'll have the opportunity to compound those earnings long term as you continue to support the Daisy events around the world. And so this is a way that we just say we want to be a community. We want to win together. We are here to do what has never, ever been done before. And I promise you this, the event on February 20th and 21st in Dubai is going to be the biggest launch pad of momentum. I'm telling you, the wave that is going to come from this event in 2023, we will reach 1 million members in 2023, and we will reach 1 billion in contributions in 2023. And most importantly, ladies and gentlemen, we will deliver on the promise and the vision that Daisy is a project where everybody wins with profits, equity, and income. And I'm going to turn the screen share off before we go on to the next slides and throw it over to Edward and Ilya to really make sure everyone understands how powerful this is and what an incredible opportunity we have at this event in February. So Edward, Ilya, I'll throw it over to you guys.
Well,
Right.
Jeremy, yeah, this is absolutely unheard of in the industry, right? So as we spoke yesterday and today with the leaders, I'm extremely excited. So we know that we sold already close to 900 tickets, and we have very limited number of tickets actually remaining in the system. So to fill this venue, Jeremy, how many seats do we have?
Oh, sorry, 2,200. If we do it with the VIP section, 2,200.
Yeah, so maximum is going to be 2,200. And we're talking about literally, guys, once you buy the tickets, and we already sold many tickets, right? So we're talking about like 1,000 something remaining tickets. Not only you come to Dubai, but you literally getting paid after you come back home from Dubai, right? For coming to Dubai. So this is crazy, and this is probably one of the most exciting news that we ever had in Daisy. And this is going to be part of Daisy culture, even going into the future, right? Of course, we cannot guarantee performance of this trading, right? But we believe it's going to be performing just like it performs today, and this is very powerful.
Yeah, so one thing I want to add, this is not some kind of future project. This is a project that it's already live and working Forex trading, right? So what we're going to do, like Jeremy said, every single dollar that comes in from the sales of the ticket, and we will double. We will double on top of whatever money comes in from the sales. We will double. And something that we haven't talked just came to my mind. Why don't we guys start an account this week? Why don't we just contribute and put it
That's
this
a
week?
great idea. Why don't we do
And
that?
start trading.
Let's start the trading now.
Let's
Let it start now.
Let's start the account, be live already going.
It could already be doubled before the event.
Yeah, at the event, we can actually show the balance of account, and this is going to be so much bigger and more powerful.
And let's start the match now too. So let's do this. Let's take all of the funds that have come in so far from ticket sales, and we'll match it. We'll double it. Let's start the trade account now. I love that idea, Edward. Love it.
Let's
start the trade account now. And then as people continue to register their new tickets, the new funds will need to be added in every week or every month, whatever it is, and it'll just accumulate. So what a game changer. I mean, literally, you just doubled the compound rate of the whole thing. That's a brilliant idea.
Yeah. So guys, like I said, I wish I could duplicate myself so I could buy a lot of tickets and come physically to get in this pool.
Let's clarify something, Edward, too. Let's make sure people understand this, that you have to be at the event. We're going to actually scan your Tron wallet at registration. They'll scan your QR code on your wallet, and that's what's going to connect you to this offering. So you can't just go online and buy a bunch of tickets and say, I'm going to, take advantage of this opportunity. You have to actually be at the event as well. So I just want to make sure that we clarify that, Edward, so nobody thinks, oh my gosh, I'm going to take advantage of this.
Yes. And of course, people should also take a couple days extra to be in this Dubai place, because it's the most, the best season to be in February is in Dubai. It's one of the beautiful country where to be. It's just amazing to be here and seeing everything. It will give you bigger vision, bigger goals. And what we're gonna announce in Dubai, or what you're gonna see about that Forex team, it's everything you need. This is for you guys.
I'm telling you, the liquid project, what we're going to announce around Uplift, I mean everything. This Dubai event. And when listen, just on day one, we told the leaders this today. We said just on day one, which is only an afternoon session. So we're not even starting in the morning, because when everyone to be well rested and registered and traveled and all that. Day one starts at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. It's a 4-hour session. And then we have a private event that night with leaders, with people who have earned shares in the Achievers Pool. And just in that 4-hour session, we know the announcements that are made. We know the introductions. You're going to be introduced to people in that first 4 hours that are partnering with our project. That is just going to blow your mind. It's going to be an amazing 4 hours. And from that first day, the fire is going to be lit. Like, it's going to be absolutely game over. But Edward, I think also let's talk about this. We need to make sure everyone understands, because we're going to be doing some incredible recognition. We actually are going to be, we are having a custom-made Daisy ring. And guys, if you know anything about us, when we do something, we do it quality. If it's not quality, we don't do it, right? If it's not the best, we don't do it. If it doesn't have pride, if it doesn't make you feel proud, then we don't put our name to it, right? And so when you see the custom ring that we're going to be awarding pace setter leaders that also have at least one share in the Achievers Pool, I'm telling you, everyone should get the pace setter leader and get your Achievers shares done, because it's going to be so powerful to hear those stories. And when you see the Daisy ring, we're also giving away a powerful, and it's going to be literally a certified, beautiful work of art, a Daisy gift to every single person that earns an Achiever share. You're going to come up on stage. You're going to receive. I've never in my life seen a project invest the amount of money that we're investing just in these awards. Why? Because we believe that the most valuable people, the most valuable element of Daisy is the people. The most valuable component to the Daisy project is the people. You are the first and most important priority in everything Daisy. It's all about the community, all about the people and all about the leadership. And so guys, we're going to have so much incredible recognition. You want to get your achiever share. In fact, speaking of achiever shares, let's go back to the slideshow, because guys, we just paid out on December 1st. The smart contracts released the Achievers Pool bonus, $5,124 per share. So not only look, you earn a share in the Achievers Pool, not only are you going to be recognized on stage at the event, not only are you going to receive one of the most beautiful custom-made awards that this industry's ever given away, but you earn, right now it's paying out over $5,000 a month per share, and we're seeing this pool continuing to grow. So imagine if you go out and say, you know what, I'm going to become a pace setter leader. I want to get my Daisy ring. I want to share my story on that stage. And you're brand new today, and you go out and earn 3 shares in the Achievers Pool. That means you're a pace setter leader. It also means that you have $15,000 a month just in this one bonus pool alone, not counting all of the rest of the rewards plan. Over $15,000 per month if you have 3 shares in the Achievers Pool, and you get awarded on stage for your Achiever share, and you get awarded on stage with the Daisy ring. If you have 3 pace setters, you qualify for pace setter leader with 1 share in the Achievers Pool. Guys, I've never seen anything like this. And so the Achievers Pool is on fire. The Builders Pool, we had 4 times more shares this month. This is a sign that momentum is growing. The total shares grew by 3 to 4 times last month's shares. This is incredible. It means the momentum is picking up, $137 per share. And so many of these shares are being earned by brand new individuals or brand new pace setters that are building and launching their Daisy business. And so these are just some exciting promotions. One final announcement. Let me do this before we go on. Let me stop the screen share because make sure, Edward, Eli, are there any details about what we've covered so far that need to be explained further?
I think you did awesome job, Jeremy.
Okay, we
Yes.
covered it. Okay.
We
Okay.
covered
All right.
it.
I just want to
Yes,
make sure.
we can go to the most important.
And literally, guys, these announcements, we literally formulated these announcements over the last 2 days and finalized them today with the leaders in our private meeting. So some of this is even new for us. So hang on here. All
And
right.
again, while you're looking at it, thanks to the leaders, we have amazing leadership. This was developed ideas together with them.
Yes, absolutely. So Forex Momentum Pack. So first of all, congratulations to the community on reaching 70 million in Forex AI contributions. It's absolutely incredible. It doesn't count the transferred funds from crypto. Those are actual contributions in Forex tiers. We're so close to that 100 million mark. What an incredible achievement. We will continue the Forex Momentum Packs as we announced last month until we reach 100 million in contributions. And we want to make a huge announcement today. 1 month, the month of December, this will go live over the next 3 to 5 days. The programmers have to implement this. So literally this idea came up in our meeting with the leaders this week, and the coders have to go in and do their work. We have to implement a new smart contract to do this, but unlimited Forex momentum rebuys in December. So whatever Forex tier you're at, from tier 5 or above, normally you can purchase 1 momentum pack. That means that, you know, on a momentum pack, 90% of your contribution goes into live trading for testing and development. 90%. And so for the month of December, there's no limit on how many momentum packs that you can rebuy. And guys, this is a huge opportunity to really leverage what's happening right now in Forex and really get the word out that people can bring and contribute to this crowdfunding model. And 90% of that contribution can be used in the live trading development. And instead of it just being one time, it's now unlimited for the month of December. And so this is a massive, massive announcement. This is an opportunity with the pace setter reset having been extended and all of the bonus pools that are available right now. This momentum pack extension, the rebuy, unlimited rebuys, is something that I'm telling you, this is an opportunity you want to take advantage of. So Ilya, I can see how excited you were for that announcement. So bro, I'm going to throw it over to you, man, to talk more about this.
Well, Jeremy, you explained everything. I'm extremely excited just because I can see value, for members. Everybody can see it, and this is a request that we had many times before. So we're doing this just for limited time window, right? Just before Christmas, we're gonna start it December. We go into Christmas, and it's very exciting. So this means that somebody who has already purchased, for example, tier 5, regular tier 5, they can buy unlimited number of momentum tier 5s, right? So this is exciting. Of course, it's based on everybody's budget, right? So if you cannot afford buying like 5 extra momentum packs, you can buy only 2 or 3. Some people, they will buy higher tiers, of course, momentum tiers. But this is extremely exciting. This is exciting for both members, and also exciting for the upline, of course, right? And this is exciting for our crowdfunding mission as well, because we will reach our targets much faster with this promotion. So I think it's very powerful. And just like Edward said, I'm also very grateful to all the leaders that we spent a couple of days with, because of this mastermind session, we created such brilliant ideas right on time before Christmas.
Yeah, really right on time. Yeah, this is like truly a Merry Christmas gift here on this one. This is big. So awesome. Forex momentum packs, unlimited rebuys, pay set or reset. Continued as we announced last month, all the way through January 1st. And so what a huge opportunity to earn shares in the Achievers Pool. How do you earn a share of the Achievers Pool? Help a personal referral become a pay setter. Help one personal referral become a pay setter, and you earn a share in the Achievers Pool. Help 3 people become pay setter, and you earn a share in the pay setter leadership pool. Not only do you earn a share in the pay setter leadership pool, but you now have 1, 2, 3 shares in the Achievers Pool, assuming that you create those 3 pay setters after April 5th. And so guys, this is just a powerful, I don't know there's ever been a better time. We have the story, we have the momentum, we have the performance, we have the best performance in the entire industry. Everything right now, the bonus pools that are paying out, everything you could dream of is in position right now with Daisy to really go out and build, to share the word, to really get the momentum going in your Daisy community. So guys, that's the end of the slideshow today. I'm going to turn off the screen share. Again, you can go to toldyousO2023.com, register for the Dubai event. And I can't wait. It's going to be just an incredible time. Just like Edward said, we recommend that you come in a couple days early, stay a couple extra days there, hang out, make it an incredible time. If that's something that interests you, this is the most beautiful resort in all of Dubai. Everything you need right here on site. And most importantly, we're going to all be together as a team, as a community, sharing in the future and vision and energy of Daisy together. So it's going to be incredible.
Okay. I guess we're done early today. We have a dinner with leaders in an hour and a half. It's also exciting. We're going to continue in our conversations.
Absolutely. And it's important to know, because people, a lot of people are watching and go, man, those leaders, how what qualified them to be there, and how did that work? Well, first of all, what you need to know is their business class flights were paid for, right, to Dubai. Their rooms at the resort were covered, VIP meals, everything. Why? Because these are the top leaders in Daisy. Are you kidding? When you reach those levels in Daisy, you're a part of something big. There's nothing bigger in the industry that's happening right now than this project and these leaders. And so how did they get there? Well, these are leaders that qualified with unilevel volume, with shares in the Achievers Pool and leadership shares. We had a leader here, Edward and Ilya, that I believe you guys introduced to Daisy, who had 8 shares in the leadership pool. That means he's created 24 pay setter goals. I mean, that's just incredible. We had the Japanese team here that, I mean, they're like a pace setter factory right now. Like literally, they're just like printing pace setters on a regular basis. And the number of shares in the Achievers Pool, it's changing people's lives. So how did people qualify to be at this event? It was with unilevel volume and leadership by example. And we just want to invite every one of you, because we believe that Daisy is one of those opportunities where it's designed where you don't have to be a superstar to be a superstar. Anybody can share Daisy with others, can share this with others, and start to build and expand their Daisy business and have this type of success. Why? Because it's 100% real. It's 100% transparent, and it's something that's producing real results. And so when you're able to share that with others, it's incredible. And so we invite you to really set a goal in the month of December. Set a goal. If you're not a pace setter yet, what a great opportunity to go pace setter. We have a reset in December. It's like starting all over, and you can go pace setter. If you don't have a share in the Achievers Pool yet, I mean, that's a $5,000 a month bonus. Residual passive income. I mean, that's incredible, right? So December is like the perfect opportunity to go out and reach that, to help someone become a pace setter, one of your personals, and earn a share in the Achievers Pool, earn 3 shares in the Achievers Pool, become a pace setter leader. So we just invite every one of you. And I'll tell you that even the Builders Pool, guys, we're seeing people, we have people where $1,000 a month is a pretty significant amount of money in many countries. We had some leaders today that were sharing with us that in their countries, people work full-time jobs for $500 a month. They work full-time. And so when they're making $1,000 a month in their part-time business, they're doubling their lifestyle. They're doubling their income. Well, you could go out today and earn a few shares. In fact, if you earn 4 shares in the Builders Pool, you double your shares to 8. And that's $1,200 to $1,300 that you would have made this month by achieving that goal. And so, of course, it's exciting, the big bonus pools and the big ranks and the top levels. But I'm telling you, one of the most powerful parts of the Daisy story is that we have people all over the world that not only are earning passive income from their contribution, but are earning an extra $500, $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 a month on a part-time basis. And so this is really the opportunity. If you go all in the month of December with these promotions, you can set yourself up for 2023, especially if you and your organization make a commitment to be at the Dubai event. And so we invite you to go all out with us in December, January, promote the event, because we know what's happening right now. And this is a massive opportunity for all of us to do something big together. So
Jeremy, something I remembered from the event today with the leaders, we talked about a lot of people still have no clue. They have no clue that crypto was moved into Forex. So everyone on this call, I do it for yourself. Call every single person you invited before, call them, let them know to log in, go into fund, go into Forex and check their balances.
Yes.
And after they do that, tell them what's going on, and then invite them to Dubai event.
Yes.
The people are missing out. I mean, they are making awesome profits and they have no clue.
They don't know.
Yeah.
It's a great point. So guys, just so we're so clear on that, there's people that you probably invited to Daisy who have not logged into their back office for a very long time, who probably thought, like many other projects, Daisy's done because we had some challenges, Daisy's done. And they probably think that it's just their money's gone. It's over, right? It's just, we were a scam, they probably think. They need a phone call from you. They need a message from you. They need a communication from you as their connection. They don't communicate with us. We don't know how to communicate with them. All we have is a wallet address. So we really have to get the word out right now to the entire Daisy community. That's 180,000 wallets, 150,000 people around the world that need to log into their back office and see what's happening right now. So they know, hey, we're not only in the game, we're not stopping until we reach the top. And because you joined Daisy at some point, you're winning. You're winning with us, and we're going to win together. They got to log in and see that. And the only way they're going to know about it is if we reach out to our own networks.
Exactly. All right.
All
Thank
right,
you.
let's wrap it up.
We'll see you guys. Edward, we'll see you in an hour for dinner.
Yep.
See all the
See you guys.
leaders.
Thank you, everybody.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. Thank you for watching. Robert here. If you need more info, go to the link. I posted the link in the comment box. Go to the link. There you will find a lot of info about Daisy. There is also a calculator for Forex and crypto. And you will find also tickets where you can buy tickets for the Told You So event in Dubai on the 20 and the 21 of February. Thank you for watching and see you in one of my next videos. Robert, Belgium. Have an awesome weekend.